Welcome back, guys. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Dear students, here in that tutorial, I'm going to apply that brushes option. So, guys, there are different kinds of a brushes option which could be chosen and to be put on that image as we could see on the screen. Now we could apply that one brushes on that side of the pictures. And friends, on that side we are going to apply that kind of a brush. So dear students, our pictures is ultimately looking like that.